There are times that we need to lie. Sapagkat nahihirapan tayong mapakita kung minsan yung totoo. Because we're trying to protect someone. Kung titingnan po natin, kung minsan napakadaling sabihin sa iba, na hipokrito ka, plastic ka, pabida-bida ka, atribido ka. Pero kung minsan hindi natin naunawaan kung bakit kailangan na lang maging atribido, bakit kailangan nilang maging pabida-bida, bakit kailangan nilang maging plastic from time to time. Sapagkat meron silang nais protektahan. They needed something, we need something to protect. Pero alam natin po ito, that there are times in our life na nagiging plastic tayo, nagiging pabida-bida tayo, nagiging atribido tayo, not because we're focusing on ourselves, but because we're trying to protect something. And I don't think our Lord is trying to criticize us for being that. At yun sa mga bagay, mga kapatid, na kailangan nating makita. What our Lord is trying to tell us, that if the intention of the things that we do becomes so self-centered, yun ang isang bagay na hindi niya gusto. Sapagkat, ibig sabihin, we're not doing it for anyone else, but for ourselves.